Introducing the free Donghua chain identification app, the easiest way to identify the correct chain for any piece of equipment. Once the app is open, enable your location services so forms are sent to the correct team. Select the type of chain suitable to you and answer the simple questions via the drop-down menu. Select the specifications of the machinery in question to drill down to the associated chains. Once you've selected the correct option, fill in the necessary information we need to identify exactly what you need. Select the additional features which best describe your chain from the diagrams displayed. Then complete the contact details form so we can get in touch with you regarding your inquiry. You may also add comments and attach images to your form for clarity, should you feel necessary. Then simply tick the GDPR box, submit your form, keep hold of your reference number, and we'll do the rest.